Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever wondered if someone is using your phone number on Facebook? If yes, do not worry, I will show you how to check this step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. On the login screen, tap on Create New Account. Now tap on Find My Account. Here, enter your phone number carefully. Tap on Continue to proceed. Facebook will now search for accounts linked to your phone number. If your phone number is being used, you will see an account listed. You will also see an email address linked to that account. The email will be partially hidden for privacy reasons. This still confirms that your phone number is connected to that account. If you do not see any account, it means your number is not being used. This helps you confirm whether your phone number is safe. If you find an account you do not recognize, do not panic. You can report the issue or secure your phone number. Always keep your Facebook account protected with a strong password. Enable two-step verification for better security. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more privacy and account safety videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.